What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I guess you guys did all that you were supposed to do just so you can stay leveled up and 1% better. This is your boy Helen, and I'm back with another video. So today's video going to be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I forgot the day, but it will be still the third week of May. So before we get any further with the video, guys, you guys know it. I pray that you smash the like button, that you subscribe to the channel, that you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the links to sign up with the brokers that I use. If you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course, you guys know what COT Academy has came up with. We're having 3 courses, which is the one-on-one and the virtual one, and the 3-day one-on-one course. So you can choose which you want to capitalize with, and the COT Academy to the rest from the day. But without further ado, I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys turn professional, and I want to see you guys be professional, disciplined, and fearless, patient traders in South Africa. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful chance with you guys and stay out the way. So our first pair for this week will be NAS. So when you guys looking at the structure of the NAS, you can clearly see that price is in this higher high, higher low structure. And with us having this higher high and a higher low structure, it's mainly based on how obviously price being bullish, right? So for the coming week, I'm taking you guys back to what happened here, and the traffic that we gathered here, and what happened here, and what happened here. You can clearly see that price has created this resistance, right? So obviously from having resistance for the coming week, it will be pretty simple to see what might happen. We're waiting to see what price gonna get, what gonna happen once price gets here. Are we gonna get a breakout to continue bullish? Or are we gonna get a fill to break and look for signs of being bearish? That's what we'll be waiting for. That's why we're waiting for confirmation, because there's so many things that we can use and so many confluences that we can add. But to simply keep it straight, simple, and just legit with you guys, we're having resistance. We're waiting for signs of price coming back to resistance. Are we gonna have a breakout to be bullish, or fall to break and look to be bearish? Do you guys get that? And that will be it. That's why we're waiting for confirmation. That's our trading idea. On NAS, we move, right? Second page, gold. So gold, I'm also waiting for confirmation, because you guys know that this is our support that once turned into resistance, right? And now we're possibly holding it. And now we're possibly holding this zone as our support. So looking at where price is at the moment and what I've gathered to just say I'm waiting for confirmation, it's mainly because price was still below our support, and we broke above that support. So obviously from breaking above support, price didn't come back to support this on the support and continue up. Price just pushed to the upside. So for the coming week, because we're waiting for confirmation, we're having this high and we're having those lows. If price breaks above highs, we simply continue bearish, bullish. But if price breaks below lows, then I guess we'll have to check that those intraday sells and look to be bearish. Do you guys get that? Because it's pretty simple that price has created this intraday high and intraday low, and price is still above our support. If it happens that we continue above this intraday highs, we simply continue bullish. If it happens that we continue below this intraday lows, then we just move and be bearish. Do you guys get that? But either way, we're still waiting for confirmation. So what do? We move, right? For that pair going to be USD CAD. So USD CAD is the only pair that we have a trade idea on. So USD CAD price has created this once, twice, and currently for that time, right? We're having multiple touches on this very same zone, which I can call my support, or that triple bottom pattern. You just call it whatever that you want to call it. But to me, I see a triple top, I see a triple bottom, and I see some type of support being formed, right? So my trade idea is very simple. I'm looking to be bullish long as price is above this intraday zone. Do you guys get that? But if we can get a break of this zone, then I guess I have to be bearish and simply following price, because there's nothing else that we can talk about. Price has reacted once, the second time, and possibly for the third time. If we can get another reaction of being price staying above the zone, then I guess we still have to be bullish. But if you can get a violation, that means prices broke out of the zone, then I guess we'd have to be bearish. Do you guys get that? So that will be my trade idea on USD CAD. So we move, right? For pair will be Tesla. Tesla, I don't have a trade idea because previously the last week we did say that prices above, we're simply looking for this retest above so we can continue bullish. But unfortunately, price did hold this retest above, but just chose to be bearish, right? And 10 bearish below our zone. So for now, I just don't have a trade idea. I'm just going to be bearish. I'm just going to be bearish long as prices below and be bullish long as prices above. And that will be it. But without further ado, I just don't have a trade idea. What do we do when we don't have a trade idea? We move, right? So last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I also want to take you guys back to the start. So price at this reaction, this reaction, this reaction, this reaction, this reaction, this reaction, and possibly this reaction until price did what? Until price set the straight below this very same zone. So now that I'm saying we're waiting for confirmation, we simply want to see that from price holding the zone, are we going to still continue moving to the upside long as price is staying above, or are we going to be bearish if price is below this zone? Because I can also talk of too many confluences and too many things, but in reality, it's pretty simple. Are we above to be bullish? Are we below to be bearish? Because this is a major intraday support zone, right? But without further ado,